What's up, peeps? Back again, doing some Magnum today. No, I'm not gonna sing a song. Yeah, keep it old school. Enjoy it. How many roads must a man walk out before they call him a man, a man? How many seas must the white dove sail before he sleeps in the sand? Oh, let me tell you that the answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. Answer is blowing in the wind. How many times must a man look up before he sees the sky? And how many ears must one man have for he can hear people cry? Oh, oh, let me tell you that answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. And how many years must a mountain exist before it's washed to the sea? Yeah, yeah. How many years can